Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to install Apache Maven in Windows 10. So there are some prerequisites before installing Apache Maven. So first of all, you must be using the system Windows, and then you should have a working internet connection. Then you should have access to account with the administrator privilege, and you also have should have also access to the command prompt. Now the last one is you should have installed the Java on your system and ready to use with Java home environmental setup as well. So if you didn't install the Java on your system and didn't do not have the Java home environmental variable setup, then you can watch my recent video on this, and the link is given in the description, so you can go and watch out first and install the Java with proper Java home environmental variable setup. Then will you can come to this step. First of all, you have to go to Maven download page, and now you have to go to this link, download Apache Maven. So right now the 3.8.6 is the latest version. Now you have to click on the appropriate link. So this one is the right link to install. So there is no actually the installation process. You just need to extract this folder into the program file. So first of all, we'll open this folder and extract it to the right directory where it should be installed, or where it should be extracted. So first of all, go to the download folder and extract this file to the C drive. So just click on extract. Do not click on extract here, and go to Apache, C drive, and then go to program file, and now you have to select this program file only, and now just click on OK, and just allow the permission to extract this file to the C drive. Now let's go to the C drive where it is actually extracted. So go to program file, and now go to the Maven where should be somewhere else. So I think we have should create one more folder here, and we also have to give permission. So first of all, create a Maven folder, and now just save it. And now once you rename, now just uh, move this folder to this folder, and click on continue. Now this is better. So now go to Maven folder, and now this is our Apache Maven installation. So there is no installation needed. You just need to extract this folder to this folder. And now what you can do, you have to now set up environmental variable for the Maven. So just search environmental variable. So the just enter it. Now go to environmental variable. Here it is. So just click on it, and now you have to you have to click on this new button, and now type Maven home, and copy the path of the folder. So basically we have to copy this path of the Maven Apache Maven file. So just go to again, just paste it here, and now click on OK. Now you have to add this into path as well. So just go to path. Where is it? Yeah, here. Now you have to click on edit, edit. Now click on new and type percentage Maven home. So we use the variable, we created the variable. Now we are going to use variable in the path. So just use percentage and then after the directory. So you can directly paste the bin folder, or you can use the Maven variable that we have created earlier. So just type bin. So now you have to click on this OK button. Once you click, just again OK click, and again just click on OK. And after that, now we are going to verify our Maven is installed on our Windows system successfully or not. Just search cmd, just enter it here, and now after this you have to type mvn hyphen hyphen, or we can just type hyphen only, and version. And as you can see, Apache Maven 3.8.6 is the latest version that we have installed right now. And yeah, that's how you can do it. So basically, the Maven Apache Maven is a build automation tool that is designed to provide a comprehensive and easy to use way of developing the Java application. So basically, it uses a POM, which is a project object model, and which approach to create a standardized development environment for the multiple teams. So you can use this Maven for creating Java applications. So yeah, I hope you get it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.